Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has very low trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08%. So what I will show you now is how to register on Binance, then how to deposit fiat money, and then how to use that money to buy the cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. How we do this step by step I will show you now. At first you click the link in the video description, then you come to the right registration page. The 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated, and then you just create your account. When your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go into the menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit fiat money, therefore just do it by clicking on this one and on this one to verify yourself, and when verification is done you are able to deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. There you just choose your local currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, and when this is selected you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer. After you click on continue so that you now get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer. After the bank transfer is done, you will get the money in 1 to 3 business days, or if you use credit card you will get it immediately. And when the money has arrived, we can now start buying Shiba Inu by clicking here on buy crypto and then on cash balance. And there we at first switch our local currency into US dollar Tether. US dollar Tether is a stable coin which is always $1, and to switch it you just type in this field how much money you want to invest, and after on this buy button. When the money is switched into US dollar Tether, we can now click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot, where you get an overview of all your fiat balances and your crypto balances. And here we can now use US dollar Tether to buy Shiba Inu by just searching for it. Then you will see that it will pop up here, and here you just click on trade and then on US dollar Tether. After you will come to this page where we can buy Shiba Inu. Therefore you just scroll down a little bit, click here on market order so that your order will immediately be filled, and then you just type in this field how much money you want to invest in Shiba Inu. Therefore you can use this feature to define how much of your US dollar Tether you want to use to buy Shiba Inu. If the amount is fine for you, you just click here on buy Shiba Inu, and that's it. I hope you liked the tutorial, so please subscribe and like, and have a nice day. Bye bye.